This video lesson is going to show you how to 3D model exercise 22. So here we have the example showing us the dimensions, and it's really just a bunch of circles with a square cutaway. That'll make sense once I demonstrate that. So I'll open up Autodesk Inventor and start a new part, and this part is in metric, so we're going to go to Tools, Document Settings, make sure that our units are in millimeters, apply close, and go back to 3D model and start a 2D sketch. For this one I'm going to start on the XZ plane. Make sure my view cube is in the correct orientation, so I need to see top just like that. Click circle tool, find the origin, click and make a circle, and the diameter for this is going to be 80. And then we're going to again click on the origin, and now we need to change it to radius, so we're going to right click radius and make that 50. Then we're going to hover over the origin, go towards the left, click, and we want one with a radius of 30, and then another concentric circle with a radius of 40. Click dimension, click on that outside circle and this outside circle, and let's make that dimension 100. So they should have moved together just like that. Click on your horizontal constraint to make sure that these points are horizontally constrained. That's good. Should say fully constrained on the bottom right. Again, click on the circle tool. We're going to hover over the origin, go up and to the right, and we're going to draw again a circle with a radius of 30, and then another circle on the outside of it with a radius of 40. Click dimension, click that outside circle here and this outside circle and go up with it, and that should be a distance of 50. And then the dimension for the height between these two should be 86, this is random, 86.6. We're going to do another circle. I think they're going to be vertically aligned, but let's just draw. Again, we're going to repeat that. A circle with 30 and a circle around it with 40. Click on dimension. Click on this large circle and then this circle, and that should be 50. And then again, dimension these two circles, and that should be 86.6. Great. So these should all sort of, or hopefully, be locked into place. And what we're going to do now is we're going to click on circle, and we're going to draw a circle with a radius of 20. And then we're going to use our tangent constraint. We're going to click on the circle and click on this circle, and then repeat that for the center circle. And what we need is we need that this arch here. We're going to actually trim that just like that. Okay, I'm going to repeat that process for this section, this section, this section, just like the example. So again, 20, tangent to this circle, tangent to this circle. I'm going to just repeat that again. 20. Let me just draw all of them here. Go clockwise like I was doing. Tangent to the large circle and tangent to the outer large circles. Just like that. And then we're going to go trim happy. We're going to trim the outside parts. Okay, so we should have a shape that looks like that. Kind of looks like a fidget spinner now that I'm seeing it. That's kind of cool. And we're gonna, let's see if trim works. We don't need these inside lines between these parts. Okay, that worked. So now we got to cut the circles on the outside like the example. So click your line tool, line it up with the center of the circle so that you get the little extension lines off of there, and draw a vertical line there. Repeat the process. This one's going to be a horizontal line just right at the halfway point for each of those, and then this one here too. And we're going to use the trim command. We're going to trim off the ends of the circles just like that. We don't need those lines anymore. Just trim, 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 trim. So now we should have the model. So click Finish Sketch. The example says that it is a thickness of 10, so we're going to extrude that shape by 10 and click OK. And there it is, and it should look just like, there you go, just like the example provided. Exercise 22. So what I'm going to be looking for is the technical drawing. Your technical drawing should look just like this one. Again, all the same dimensions should match, except for we want to horizontally align our text here and make it look a little neater. Obviously it's going to be on your custom template with the correct name and whatever scale fits on your page, most likely 1/2 or 1/4. And again, the section view here, we don't really need it. We just needed to know the thickness of the part. We know that this is this, so the section view here is a little redundant. So good luck with exercise 22. Look at my example, look at the examples provided, and you should be able to do this one fairly quickly.